hardly ever see that. CMQ locomotive. All these very colorful K&S hopper cars. Not the greatest place for it. This is on the Dorval bike path on Cardinal Street, Cardinal Avenue. And it was just here. So this is the best spot I could find for it, just as it was leaving because of the sun angle. And it's about 3:00 p.m. on Thursday afternoon, the 5th of November 2020. And it's not really often you see those CMQ locomotives, so this one's a pretty good train just for that. Honestly, I'd like to see more CMQ in the Montreal area. This should be okay. It's not too bad with the sun angle. You can see what's happening. It's not the greatest. It'll have to do. And with the time change, now these trains are going to be in the lower light. And this train might actually be going around into the industrial park in that tight turn over there in Lachine, so I'm not sure. I was just there and there was a train leaving, so I was trying to get it. Unfortunately I didn't, but I did get this train. And there's a path here. You have to wonder if some people are actually hopping the trains from here or something. This could be a hopping spot, I don't know. I never come to this spot. Not the greatest spot for train spotting anyway. So as you can see, that's Cardinal Avenue and the bike path. Dorval Station's just to the left, where they're doing a lot of work on the freeway interchange, so it's really noisy, so I'm not going to be filming there for a little while. I don't like to hear the jackhammer sounds. Sounds like there's a DPU coming. an ES44 right there. In addition to the ES44 and the GP38, it looked like, in the CMQ colors. CMQ is the Quebec and Maine CMQ, Central Maine and Quebec, that's it, yeah. It's the railroad that took over from the railroad that used to be running on that line when the Lac Megan'c disaster happened. That company, of course, went bankrupt, and CMQ took over from that other company, Maine Central or something like that. Actually, not Maine Central. Maine Central is another railroad from the 70s. So I'll check in the in Wikipedia and put in the comment section what the railroad was called when the Lac Megan'c thing happened in 2013. Probably the reason that CP took over that line, because it was sued as a result of that. Canadian Tire. Christmas is coming, isn't it? And it's really running slow. Running into that yard, I'm sure. So next time around 3 o'clock, maybe I'll go in there in the Lachine Industrial Park and see if I can catch this train coming up around those tight curves. I have a few videos also of trains being broken up inside that intermodal yard in Lachine, where they're pushing these double stacks back and pushing some mixed freight, separating these auto rack cars, which is what's going to happen. I have almost no doubt that this train is going into that tight curve. Yeah, I was just there too. I should have stayed there. Oh well, next time. The CP has kept a lot of the CMQ, that's Central Maine and Quebec locomotives, in their original blue and gray. Especially these red barns, these SD40-2Fs that are CAL units, the last SD40-2s built. And they're still running around. They were ex-CP locomotives. They were sold off. And Central Maine and Quebec painted them all in, one of them even in a black, what is it, black, gray and red Bangor and Aroostook paint scheme, because part of the line was once BAR, Bangor and Aroostook. And that's actually pretty cool looking. So on this system, on CP somewhere, I think mostly in the west for some reason, these red barns, ex-red barns, are running around in these central Maine and Quebec, really nice moose head kind of logos and everything. And I wish they would come to Montreal. I'd like to see them more. As it is, I think I've only got 2 videos, this one included. No, I have 3 videos of central Maine and Quebec locomotives in the Montreal area. When that specific GP38 was in a local consist, pulling around a few local cars, some tank cars. It looks like there might be something on the end too. Not sure. There usually is, actually. Yeah, it looks like an ES44 pushing. No, it's an older AC 4400 CWM, or CW maybe, not even a rebuild. And there it is, working hard to get it into that yard. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.